basic concept in the Forza project is that we've set up a series of partnerships because we would like to make sure that everyone in the partnership knows what's happening to their product or their material further down the line in the value chain. For example, we know that a designer of a packaging, plastic packaging, do not always know what happens in the recycling phase of that plastic packaging. So by setting up a partnership where the different stakeholders in the value chain can exchange information about what happens, it can actually improve the recycling as well as the design. Well, the aim has been to improve the recycling of the materials or design a product in a way that it can be reused.
When we were invited to participate in this project, one of our goals was to achieve more knowledge about soft plastics or foils. But what we found out was that the value chain in such a process is very important, because it's very important to know what happened in the whole chain. Yeah, one of our key findings was to understand the value chain in such a process where we work with post-consumer from the collection to the final products. It's very important to understand the whole chain. If I should recommend anything to other cities in the project, it's very important to have the whole value chain involved in the whole process.
During the course of the FORCE project, the potential of value chain partnerships for reducing waste became increasingly clear. We believe that a new approach to the municipal waste management sector and an innovative governance model for circular cities is necessary. Two key factors from the FORCE project help to achieve successful value chain partnerships. First, installing an overarching partnership of all involved stakeholders. And second, value chain management is necessary to organize effective cooperation. Thus, circular cities can become an essential strategy for achieving our common goal of climate change mitigation in Europe.
In the FORCE project, I was responsible for the exploitation and dissemination of the project results. Together with a lot of partners from the 4 cities, we identified stakeholders that wanted to have cooperation and partnerships for circular economy, and we brought them together by organizing workshops in every city. Together with the partners from the 4 cities, we identified stakeholders who might be interested in the participation of cooperation for circular economy, and we organized workshops for them to meet and discuss circular economy in their cities.
The value chain-based partnership has been the core of our activities. During the project, we realized over 134 interviews involving public bodies, companies, associations and professionals. From these activities, we learned that there is a strong need of end-of-waste procedures to unlock the potential of business which is feasible despite the low value of both wood and wood waste. There is also a strong request of local governance, because a strong local governance could help connect stakeholders and facilitate relations and opportunities.
Since 2014-15 roughly, we started with the development of the FORCE project, which is dealing with circular economy, waste reduction, waste recycling. And of course we implemented all necessary partners from Hamburg, ministries, waste companies and also production companies, data companies, and found a very good team working together from Hamburg with our partners in Copenhagen, which were thankfully the coordinator of the attempt and the project, and with GENOVA and with Lisbon. So we can see that the FORCE project was for Hamburg one of the very important steps into international cooperation in this circular economy.